How to set or change Zoom virtual background on mobile app. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Zoom mobile application, and after that you will have to start the meeting in order to change the virtual background. After starting the meeting, you would be able to find the option of three dots at the bottom. Simply click on it, then you would be able to find the option of virtual backgrounds. In case if you have updated your mobile version, then after that in some cases it might be there on the mobile settings. Simply go to the section of, then it might be there in the meeting settings. Simply click on the meeting settings, and over there you would be able to find the option of background. Simply click on it, then select any customized background, or you can also select already existing backgrounds, and this is how you would be able to make changes to it, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.